Hello, I'm Ying and I'm currently doing a year in industry. I've spent my gap year at Springboard Pro, a technical consultancy based in Cambridge. Springboard is a small but rapidly growing company, therefore I've had the opportunity to be involved in a variety of projects, spanning from life-saving medical devices to innovative technologies applied to everyday consumer products. Everyone here is knowledgeable and experienced in specific areas of engineering and physics, so working with a range of different individuals and teams has meant I've learnt across a wide breadth of disciplines. For one of the projects, I worked on a dynamic medical implant and investigated its deployment mechanism by measuring and calculating the torques required to deflect torsion springs by certain angles. After finding the correct specifications, I made a few prototypes to test in an environment which simulates human tissue in order to confirm the success of the design. My time here has been very hands-on, therefore the training provided has been useful to both further my practical skills and improve the efficiency of project timelines. In particular, learning to use the mill and lathe results in rapid fabrications of concepts, many of which I designed using CAD. I really enjoy using the equipment in the workshop as it is very rewarding to see your ideas as a physical item you can hold. I used and learnt about specialist experimental analytical techniques, specifically on a project which investigated the cause of measurable phenomena following certain treatments. This included using a scanning electron microscope to assess whether any of these changes were visible. I also wrote a Python script to plot data obtained from a humidity sensor, which monitored an environment which needed to be tightly controlled. Programming is an area which I wanted to develop the most during this year, as there are limitless applications and it is highly satisfactory when the code you've been working on runs successfully. I also programmed a flow sensor using Arduino. It was interesting to try object-oriented programming, as the merging of hardware and software makes coding a lot more interactive. Since electronics is closely associated, I quickly gained experience in this area by designing and making the electronics for a consumer device demonstrator, allowing the user to manually control aspects such as the fan. A personal highlight was travelling to Belgium to hand over the working prototype to the client who now has a development plan for the product. When I first started, what I found most challenging was presenting to clients who are experts in their own fields and have comparably much more experience than myself. However, through attending a presentation skills masterclass organised by the EDT and frequently contributing in weekly meetings, I have significantly improved my ability to effectively convey my ideas to and engage with professionals from around the world. This year in industry has been an invaluable experience, as I now know what to expect in a career after finishing my degree. Springboard really gives you the opportunity for personal development and allows you to learn based on your interests. I am now more equipped and looking forward to entering the working world.